Today we're gonna be working on Leetcode question number 38, count and say. So count and say sequence is a sequence of digit strings defined by the recursive formula. So count and say 1 when the n is gonna be equal to 1 is basically that we're gonna be returning 1, and after that whatever we see we're gonna read it, and like so it's 1 time, so we're gonna be returning 1 when the n is 2, and when the n is gonna be equal to 3 it's gonna be 2 1 because we see 2, and when the n is gonna be 4 then it's gonna be 1 2 and 1 1. So the way we're gonna be doing it is basically it's a recursive method. Initially we know that the string is going to be equal to 1. In the base case you can say that we're going to go from n I equals to 1 to I equals to I is less than n, and if we enter that one, we're gonna be reading 1 starting from the 1, but otherwise if we don't even enter it, meaning if the n is equal to 1, we're just gonna be returning the string. Other than that, every single time we're gonna get the string array, which is gonna be splitting the string, and the string is gonna become equal to empty, and then we're gonna start with the count equals to 1. So now we're gonna traverse the string array. It's gonna start from the 0, and it's gonna go it's gonna iterate through the string array, and over here we are gonna be taking every single character of the string array and checking if it is equal to the previous value, because if the value is equal to the previous, we're just gonna increment the count. Sorry, if it is not equal to the previous value, we're gonna be calculating the result. Otherwise, we're gonna increment the count. So when the current value is not equal to the next value, what we're gonna be doing is like we're gonna be adding the string. We're gonna be adding the count plus the string value to the string, and we're gonna make the count equals to 1. We're gonna basically reset the count, and that should do it. Yep, let's check for the other test cases, and it passes all the test cases.